here in the Philippines, our our whole country,
Hmm.
the internet is not very good. So even if you want to have fast internet, it can't be, especially
Okay.
the Wi-Fi. When were you supposed to start?
In the next month, like January.
Ah, okay. So do you think it's sure already?
No, and I'm not. But there's a chance, There's a chance.
Okay. So you've been accepted to your university of choice
Yeah.
already. Oh, okay.
Actually, I'm
You must
a
be.
yeah.
No, go ahead. Actually,
Um, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. It's a
okay.
state. So a state beside us. It's called Telangana.
What is
Telangana.
that?
Telangana.
What is Telangana?
It's a state. It's a
Ah,
state
okay,
beside
okay.
us. So
Oh, okay.
in Telangana, the college are are, are sorry was started in the last month, November.
Okay. Wow, okay. So they're able to go back to normal, semi-normal
Yeah,
already,
but they are having just online classes.
just
Online
online.
classes.
Ah, okay. Okay. How do you feel about that? Online classes?
It's great.
You don't mind?
You know, no, I don't mind.
Okay. How would you prefer online classes to face, or which one is better for you?
For me, um, the better one is offline classes. Like
Okay.
physically going to college for real
Yes,
in
yes.
real time. That's pretty good. But in
Yeah.
this pandemic, it's not possible, right?
Yeah. You have no choice,
Yeah,
I
we have no
guess.
choice right now.
You don't know when you'll be able to go back to class.
Yeah,
Do you have an idea? Do you think like a prediction?
I have no idea about that really. No.
Okay. So for now, when you go to class in January, it will be online.
Yeah, online classes.
Did you have any trouble setting up your workspace, your study space at home?
Yeah, I have.
How
Mm,
what was it like? What did you have to do?
it was because of the data plan,
Ah,
the
okay.
internet data plan.
Yes, yes. Your internet.
Yeah. Actually, I
Yes.
get just 1.5 GB per day.
Okay.
Per day,
Yes, yes.
but the classes will consume more data, right? More
Yes.
data
You
like
need more.
classes.
Yes. It
So,
needs to be faster. So did you change your plan?
no, actually, I'm going to. Not right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
is your school or your government helping? Do they subsidize it somehow?
No, you don't right now.
No.
No,
So
no,
you
no.
just have to pay out of pocket.
Yeah,
Hmm.
exactly.
That's difficult.
Yeah,
But you have all your other materials, all your tools. You have your computer, or was it? Did you have to get all of that set up also before all of this happened?
yeah, that's true.
It was just the data plan. That was your only problem.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. At least does your area have the right infrastructure for like fiber networks
yeah, it
and all of
has.
that?
Yeah, there's
Oh,
a
okay.
show over here.
Okay, at least because here in the Philippines, our our whole country,
Hmm.
the internet is not very good. So even if you want to have fast internet, It can't be, especially
Okay.
the Wi-Fi. Yes.
But in
Do you have a
India,
similar problem?
yeah, but in India, it's pretty good.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Actually, in India, the actually it's very cheaper in India when compared to the other countries. The
Oh, okay.
internet is very cheap right here.
Oh, okay. That's good. At least
Mm,
you guys are ready for going online.
yeah.
You must be excited to start university.
Hmm. Here you'll get 3 GB data. 3 GB data. For just 50 rupees. 50 Indian rupees.
Okay. Okay, yeah. That's
And
not bad.
that's like just $0.7, point 0.7 USD.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really not bad. That's not bad.
Um, USD.
Yes, yes.
So we have a good plan here, right?
You do, you do. How's it going to work with your with because you're going to start university online.
Yeah, online.
So purely online, you will never have to go to the school, like your enrollment, your orientation,
Yeah, I had to go
everything's
to for the
online.
first time. I had to go
Oh,
to
you
for
have
the
to
first
go.
time.
Okay.
Yeah, to enroll there, give my give
Oh,
my give my documents, certificates
oh,
over
okay. So
there.
you did. You had to go and line up.
Yeah,
Were there a lot of people?
yeah, there were.
Oh, wow. Oh no. But what about the pandemic?
Pandemic. Actually, we wear masks, right? Masks.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it's gonna safe there.
Okay. But is there anything else you have to wear? Just mask, or do you have to cover your
No,
whole body,
no,
or
just mask.
just mask? Okay. No face shield.
Questions.
Okay. You know they require face shields here.
Hmm.
It's strange. Where
Okay.
I think we're the only country that requires face shields on top of the mask.
Hmm.
I well, you won't have to do that, especially since you'll just be studying at home.
Yeah.
Do you have any trouble being at home? Do you have other people there with you who might distract you?
No, not like that. My
Okay,
my my house is very comfortable for reading, for studying.
okay. Oh, that's good.
So no
That's
problem.
good. A lot of other people found that to be part of their challenges,
Yeah.
shifting to being at home.
Hmm.
Yeah. So you just have 1 month to go before you start university.
Yeah.
Maybe you won't get to bike it by the dam anymore.
Yeah. Exactly.
Be very busy.
Yeah. I'll be busy.
What will you miss the most about your freedom?
Freedom. Hmm. Actually, mostly I miss hanging out. Hanging out. Yeah.
You still get to see your friends though, even
Hmm.
during this
Like
pandemic. You've been going
holidays.
out.
Yeah.
It sounds like you're not a very populated area.
Hmm.
So are you is your area urban or more rural?
It's an urban area.
It's urban, okay. Okay, but you have a dam. And it sounds like you have mountains around you? No.
Yeah, there are mountains.
Right, yeah. Yeah, so it sounds like a peaceful area.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, that sounds quite nice actually. And the university is it far from you?
Uh, yeah, probably. There is some just like 40 kilometers from here.
Oh, that's not that far. That's not that
Mm.
far. Oh, 40. I
Yeah.
heard 4.
40.
40. Oh, okay. That is far.
Yeah.
Do you bike there? Can you take your motorbike to the university?
Yeah, I can take, but mostly I prefer the bus.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It will
Yeah.
be kind of efficient, economic.
Okay.
So I prefer
More
the bus.
it's more convenient.
Yeah, more convenient.
Okay. 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 Uh Paul, it looks like we only have a minute to go before
Yeah.
our session ends. You have any questions for me or anything else you'd like to discuss?
No, nothing like that.
I think you're pretty good already at holding a conversation.
Hmm.
I enjoyed talking to you, and I wish you all the best with your start of term in
Thank
January.
you.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.